Hello, I'm Dr. Kerryn Phelps, Chair-elect of the Hemp CRC. So what is a CRC? The letters stand for Collaborative Research Centre, and that's important because the Hemp CRC is about collaboration and research. By 2022, the global hemp and medicinal cannabis industry was worth 34 billion US dollars, with a compound annual growth rate of 20.2%. For Australia to benefit from the potential of this future-focused industry, there needs to be a coordinated research effort across the entire sector, from agricultural producers to product developers to end users. The hemp crop has added benefits for land regeneration, sustainability, and carbon capture. The scope for the future of the hemp industry includes food, textiles, paper products, construction materials, stock feed, and of course, medicinal cannabis. The perception of high THC cannabis as a recreational drug and the onerous legal framework around hemp production has severely limited the potential of this industry. Medicinal cannabis was legalised in Australia in 2016, 20 years after it was legalised in California. So we have a lot of catching up to do. I went to California back at that time to interview politicians, doctors, and patients about the changes to their law in my role as a health reporter. Australia is now well placed to move forward to develop the hemp industry with a reliable and connected supply chain. The Hemp CRC aims to provide the expertise to make that happen. From my perspective as a doctor, evidence of efficacy and safety underpin the safe prescribing of medicinal cannabis so that patients are able to get the most appropriate formulation for their individual health needs. The Hemp CRC investment into medicinal cannabis research will progress that knowledge base, and that will give current and future prescribers and patients greater confidence in their clinical decisions. Agricultural producers will benefit from research into plant varieties suitable for different climates and soil types, helping to increase production. The development of new products and markets will provide security for primary producers and materials processors. Over recent months, we've been hosting a series of roundtable discussions with the many participants who are engaged in the CRC process, and I can tell you that there's a real sense of excitement about the potential for the industry right across the board. Our research partners will harness expertise from the University of Southern Queensland, Southern Cross University, Western Sydney University, Deakin University, and the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries. These organisations bring an impressive array of expertise and facilities to the bid. The Hemp CRC has a matrix structure across our 4 research programs. These include, firstly, the Hemp Production Program, led by the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries, with input from Southern Cross University and the University of Southern Queensland. This program will bring genomic and genetic approaches to hemp and medicinal cannabis production to optimise yield and quality. The program will develop support packages for the industry to ensure supply of fit-for-purpose varieties which satisfy market requirements. Hemp for Health is led by the University of Western Sydney, with input from Southern Cross University and the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries. This program not only includes aspects of the use of medicinal cannabis, but it extends to human and animal nutrition, cosmetics, and nutraceuticals. This program will provide data to support the claims of industry, conduct clinical trials, as well as examining the sociological issues surrounding society's attitudes to medicinal cannabis and hemp products. Then there's Hemp Materials, led by Deakin University, with support from the University of Southern Queensland. This program will explore the opportunities for the development of new and existing materials in construction, paper and paper recycling, hemp plastics, and the use of hemp in advanced materials, including biocomposites. Then Hemp Futures. This is our 4th program, led by Southern Cross University, with input from all of the other research organisations. This program will provide data supporting the harmonisation of legal legislation and regulatory frameworks, as well as new opportunities in carbon sequestration, recycling, and goals for zero net carbon emissions. The program will also explore the use of advanced technologies such as gene editing and synthetic biology in the hemp industry. The research programs are supported by the Education and Training Program that will provide up to 40 industry-embedded PhD scholarships, develop micro-credential educational packages and training for producers and prescribers. The Hemp CRC will bring together over 40 small to medium enterprises who are collectively investing $50 million in cash with the federal government to develop the single largest hemp initiative in the Southern Hemisphere. It's an industry-led, multidisciplinary approach which will ensure translation and adoption across the industry. Our interim CEO, Professor Gavin Ash, will be at the Cannabis conference, and he'd welcome the opportunity to talk to you further about this exciting initiative.